Hi Leos, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, Leos. For your general energies, career situation, and relationship, we are picking few cards. So these are for your general energies, Leos. This is for your relationship, and this card is for your career situation. If you like this reading and if it resonates, Leos, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading. And I have a pick a card reading right after this general energy. So if you want more clarity, you can watch that reading. And if you are interested in a personal reading, I have a good friend of mine doing personal reading in Fiverr. You can contact her if you are interested. I'll be sharing her link in the description below, Leos. So let's start the reading with these cards for your general energies first. Sorry guys, we have Page of Wands in reverse, Five of Pentacles, and Page of Pentacles. So in your circumstances today, maybe in your work or maybe in your relationship today, you have some kind of you have some kind of doubts or confusion. Maybe something is not clear, or you are someone making a lot of efforts today. You have you have people you need to look after. You have to take care of someone, or there is someone sick in your circumstance, and you are looking after this person, and you are the one who is in a position really to take care of them. So you have a lot of work, and you are someone who goes the distance. So if you make a choice, you try to do things in a good way, try to do things the right way. So you are someone really dedicated, Leos, and that may be the reason you are facing a lot of stress, a lot of difficulty for someone really close to you. It may be the person you are in relationship with. Maybe you are trying to help this person, trying to look after this person. That may be the reason you are going out of the way, doing a lot of things, looking after them. And today in your circumstance, maybe some kind of a news or a message is reaching you. It may be from this person you love, or it may be from someone close to you. Maybe you were quite doubtful, or you were quite worried about this person. Maybe a news about your friend or a family member. So you were a little worried about them because you love them. You are truly concerned about their welfare. That may be the reason you wanted to know about this person. And today there is a message or a news or an announcement coming in from them. Something that is making you happy and sad at the same time. So you're happy for receiving this message from them, but what they are telling you, the message or the gist of the news, is something that is making you sad, and you are really concerned about them. So it may be a news about this person you love, or it may be about someone in your family, someone you're really close with, someone you love and you have a truthful concern over this person. So let's see what is the card for your relationship. We have Two of Cups. So maybe in this relationship you are collaborating in a beautiful way or trying to collaborate in a beautiful way. Maybe all the trials you have gone through. If this news is about this person you love, and maybe it is making you sad or happy, whatever it is, but still you have a beautiful understanding building in this connection, and maybe Leos, you are moving towards a committed relationship, engagement or marriage. That is what I see with these cards. So for your career situation, let's see what is the card. We have Hermit. So in your work circumstances, you are making an important decision, a choice today. What needs to be done or what is the future. So some important choices need to be made today and you are thinking about that. So that is the energy here and that is the reading for you all today. Thank you for watching. If you like this reading and if it resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading. Stay tuned for the pick a card love reading that is coming up right now, Leos. For your love reading, guys, we have two cards here. This is your first card and this is your second card. So you can think about your circumstances, close your eyes, meditate for a few seconds. Open your eyes, choose the card that comes to you first. That way the reading may resonate. So I will start the reading with the first card after a few seconds of silence. Okay guys, so now let's start the reading with the first card. I will keep this card aside. So we will see what is this card for those who chose this card. It says orphaned. So in your circumstances today, in your relationship, you are in a situation where you feel that you are unable to fit in. You don't have that sense of belonging in this relationship. Some kind of uncertainty is there today in this connection. And the reasons may be because we are all unique beings and we are all evolving spiritually and emotionally. So we are committed to our own growth. And when we long for people to support us in this difficult path, we may be disappointed or even hurt by the people who are with us because the way they are, maybe their actions or their words, they may not understand what we are going through because each and every one of us are in different stages of personal growth. Maybe this person is at another stage and we are at another stage, and we are in this relationship, maybe we are in a new connection where we do not share the same visions, share our values and beliefs, and each of us may have different values and beliefs. That may be the reason we do not feel so close with this person. That sense of belonging may not be there. So you need to accept things as it is today, whatever is happening, and you can be you can rest assured that spirit or that higher power or God, whatever you call it, will steer you in the direction of people who will appreciate you for whatever you are without any artifice, without any agenda. So you don't have to compromise anything to be in this relationship just for that sense of belonging, because it won't be worth the price. So that is the energy with this card, guys. For those who chose this card, that is the reading. So let's see what is the second card. For those who chose this second card, we will see what it is. Vasila the Brave. And with this card, for those who chose this card, you are going through a difficult circumstance, but you need not worry. You are going to come out of this situation much wiser, much stronger than before, and you will pass any test that you have been put through today. And maybe in your life you have someone close to you. It may be a family member, it may be your mother or a sibling, a woman maybe for some of you. And this person is your strength, this person is your guiding light. And maybe for some of you, you have a very strong parent, you have that strong motherly love, you have experienced that in your life, and this love and knowledge is guiding you each and every day. And maybe in your heart of hearts, when you are making some important choices, you may hear a very calm voice telling you what you need to do. That is your intuition, you must listen to it. So you have a very a sensitive spirit, something telling you what to do, and it may be a wisdom that has been passed on from your parents or from your grandmother, someone who was very close to you. And in any situation, whatever difficulties you are seeing, if you listen to this voice, you are going to make the right decision, the right choice today. And you need to understand that there may be a time of separation from family members or friends, but you need to do your best. You need to try and do whatever needs to be done. Do not lose heart in this circumstance. And from this darkness, you are going to move towards a greatest light in your life, and you are going to face all your fears with courage and knowledge and wisdom. And there is a time of a new beginning coming in your life. So circumstances are definitely changing. All you need to do is face your situation with strength and determination, courage, and listen to your intuition that is going to guide you all the way through. So that is the energy here with this card. For those who chose this card, that is the reading, guys, for you all today. Thank you for watching. If you like this reading and if it resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.